So first we'll create a bain-marie. In a sauce pot, add 1 cup of water. We'll bring to a slight simmer and add a bowl over top. I'll then add in half a cup of full fat Greek yogurt. We'll throw in a pinch of salt and then microplane a small clove of garlic over top. If you have a garlic crusher, then that works just as well. I'll whisk this to combine, and the goal is to warm through the yogurt. I'll then place to the side, and we're going to start by making our Aleppo butter. In a small sauce pot, add about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that begins to melt, I'll then add in a couple teaspoons of dried Aleppo pepper. I'll add in about half a teaspoon of sweet paprika and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne. We'll mix really well until all combined, and then add a pinch of salt. And there's our beautiful Aleppo flavored butter. Now with a liter of water simmering in a sauce pot, I'll then begin to add 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. I'll then whisk this in, and the vinegar helps the egg to coagulate more quickly, allowing it to better hold its shape. Once it begins to simmer, I'll turn the heat off and whisk to create a vortex, then crack in my whole egg. Using a spider strainer, I'll remove the egg to test for doneness, and this needs another minute or so. Once done, I'll remove our poached egg and place onto a paper towel and then blot dry. I'll then add a pinch of salt over top. We're ready to plate, so in a shallow bowl, I'll begin by adding the garlic yogurt. I'll place the poached egg right in the center, followed by my Aleppo butter. Finally, we'll garnish with some dill. And there's our super simple and delicious Turkish eggs. It's customary to dig in with some crunchy bread, and here I'm using a baguette. And this egg dish is absolutely addictive.